Hello friends, welcome to my data structure and algorithm series. So in this video, I am going to do some hands-on on linear search and binary search using Python. Here why I am choosing Python as a programming language because in most of the company, the primary language is Python for data engineer and data analyst. Okay, so let's begin. Here I am using Jupyter Notebook as our editor. You can, choose anyone. So let's begin. So what is the linear search? In linear search, we begin with the first position and we compare it with our target, right? And when we don't find the target at that position, then we move to the next position, right? So suppose here our target is 4. So first we will start from the first position and we will see whether first position is equal to target or not. If it is equal to target, then we will return the position of this element. If it's not, we will move to the next position. Okay. So if we we try iterate till last and we did not found our target, then we will return like element not found. So element is not present in the array. Okay. So let's begin with the coding. So I am defining a function here. Function as a linear search. Okay. And I am passing two argument here. One is our array and the second argument is target that we want to found. Okay. So the first thing that we are talking about is we will iterate through each element, right? So how we can iterate? Using some loop, right? So here I am using for loop for the iteration. So for I hope you know the syntax of for loop, right? So we'll start from the beginning, that is 0 until the end. So what will be the end? Length of this array, right? Here the length of the array is 7, right? So in this case, we will get the I from 0 to till 6 because we are using range function here. So in this case, it is totally fine to take the length of this array. Okay. After iterating through each element, what we want to compare the each element with our target. So array I is nothing but it is the element. Let me print it for you first what it is giving. Okay. So let me call this function. These are our uh, variables and this is okay. Let me give it some meaningful name, linear search. Okay. Can call a function like this. Okay. So just I am executing the to cell. See, all the element is printed here. Okay. So we want to compare the each element with our target. For comparison, and if it is equal to the target, then we will return the position of the element. So if the element of this array is equal to our target, okay, then we will return the position of the element. So we will return like target is present at, and then The position. What is the position here? I, right? We want to print the index of the array, right? The position of the array. And if we go to till end, if we cannot find anything in this iteration, then we will say like target not found, right? So see this, it is very simple because Python is very easy language, and if you have basic knowledge of Python, you can easily do this, right? Now I will execute this. So for here, we have taken the position at 1. Target is present at 1 because index start from 0, right? This is the position 0, this is position 1. Okay, this is position 0 and this is 1. You can say present at index, you can say, yeah. So you won't be confused at index 1. Okay, suppose you want to search 16 here, right? Then no need to execute this function again. You can just print like this. So 16 is present at 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So hope you like this video. In the next video, we will cover binary search. Thank you so much.